Today is all about businesses you can start from the comfort of your home, guys. But before we go on, I want to sincerely apologize for the last video. It didn't really come off with a good audio quality because of the background noise. Okay, I promise that I'm going to bring your way videos with good audio quality from now henceforth. So guys, please, if you have any observation or contribution, please, I appreciate them. Please do well to drop them in the comment section. And I want to also sincerely appreciate all my returning subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. So let's dive into today's businesses you can start from the comfort of your home. A lot of you have been wondering what business you can do while at home, especially stay-at-home moms and all that. Businesses you can do while at home if you don't have the funds or the necessary things to actually get an outlet or a shop or what have you to start a business. You can start these businesses from your home and start making cool cash from your living room without even stepping out. Okay, so the first business I want to show you is the laundry business, guys. Literally, you need absolutely nothing but just water, detergent, and some other things. Okay, just things you can use to wash. Okay, all you need to do with little money as small as 5,000 naira, 3,000 naira, you can create flyers and publicize yourself. Tell people that you do laundry. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure you have good water supply or consistent water supply, and also you have all the necessary detergents or things you need to wash the clothes and all that. Okay, that is all. It's simple. Some of you can wash, so well, but you don't know that you can actually start making money from that. Okay, and it doesn't take much of your time. All you need to do is to plan yourself, get those deals, plan it and deliver. All right, and you can start charging people some good amount of money per clothes. Okay, 150, 100 naira, what have you. All right, and you can have a lot of people call you to take their clothes and wash. All right, guys, you can actually make cool cash from this. From your home. You don't need to get a shop necessarily as a beginner. All you need to do is just to have water supply, consistent water supply, then the necessary detergent you need to wash those clothes. Okay, that is all. You can even use word of mouth to publicize yourself. Okay, as simple as that. The next business idea is the printing press business. Okay, for this printing press business, what you need to do is the affiliate part. You might not have the money. For those who do not have the money to actually set up a printing press business, get a printing machine, it's quite expensive anyways, and get a shop and all that. You can actually contract for those who actually do the printing press business. You can position yourself to get deals for maybe people who want to do wedding souvenirs like book, like calendars, a lot of things, flyers, whatever, what have you. Okay, you can contract those deals. Okay, then give it out to people who actually do the printing press business. Okay, and they pay you a commission. They pay you for bringing in the customer. That is it, guys. That is as simple as that. You don't need to spend absolutely anything. The only thing you need to spend money on probably is making yourself known by probably making flyers about you, about your printing press business, or you running ads on Facebook, on Instagram about your printing press business. Then when you get those contracts, you outsource it to those persons that are actually doing those they are actually doing the printing press business, and they pay you for it, guys. They pay you for it. All right, so that is it. So I want you guys to key in on this one. All right, the next business idea is the fruit salad business. From the comfort of your home with little cash, you can set up a fruit salad business. You don't need a shop to start a fruit salad business. All you need is a small table, you need a chair, and you need your stuff, your fruits, your salad, your milk, your granuts. Okay, what else? That's all, I guess. That's basically what you need. Then people are actually looking for people actually love fruit salad, and you can start this. The beautiful part about this is that you can start it from your streets. All right, in front of your house, from the comfort of your home. All right, guys, you don't need to go far. From your street, the people on your street can be your customers, and you can start making cool cash from this business. Okay, the next on our list is the Indomie making business. The Indomie making business is also similar to the fruit salad business. All you need is a table, probably a canopy or something like that, then a chair. Then you just need your Indomie, your egg, your vegetables, your tomatoes, pepper, all those things, carrots, and the rest. All those things you need to put in Indomie, all right? And you are good to go. And you can start from your street, from the comfort of your home, and you can start making cool cash. All these businesses does not need much fun to set up, all right, guys? So I want you to key in on this one. And the last on our list is the popcorn business. You don't need to go far. From the comfort of your home, in your home or in front of your house, you can set up a popcorn business. All right, you can set up a popcorn business. There are cheap popcorn machines you can get for a token, and you can start making popcorn. All right, all you need is the popcorn and the cream and some other things, and you can start making popcorn, guys. But if you don't want to set it up in front of your home, you can do it in your living room, in your house. Then you package it, then you take it to schools, to primary schools, to secondary schools, and deliver and sell. Okay, or you give it out to somebody to help you sell, and you give the person a commission. Okay, or better still, if you don't have money for the popcorn machine, you can go meet someone who is into popcorn making, get into an agreement with the person, convince the person to give you the popcorn on credit you get, so that you can sell and remit some money to that person, all right, while you've taken your own profit out of it. You understand? So these businesses, guys, you need to key into one of these. You can do any of these. If you know you don't have anything doing at home, I really want to start up something, you can start up any of these business, and they are hot selling businesses. My favorite is this laundry business. You literally need nothing. You use water in your house every day. You can start making money from that water. You can start making money from your detergent. All you need is your skill to wash, and you sun dry them, you package them, and you deliver, and they pay you for it. All right. So guys, I hope you learned something today. If you have any other business idea you think one can start from home on a cheap budget, please do well to drop it in the comment section so that others can benefit. Thank you for stopping by.